Y'all, I literally just broke my tripod. And so this is what I have to do. Hey, it's your girl. How you doing? It's your girl, heyalexisdominique with it Zubu. What it Zubu? Okay, guys. So today, I am going to be doing an unboxing. I have been so eager to do this because I've been wanting my stuff, but I promised that I was gonna be more consistent with YouTube, and so I wanted to open it for y'all on cam or whatever. So here are my packages. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so first and foremost, let's open up this just because I have been itching to get in this box. And it's from Amazon. If y'all can't tell, I actually have an Amazon affiliate link. Maybe I should set up my store. Okay, let's see what we got. First things first, a new tripod. A travel tripod, if you will. Let me just take this up out the box. So, first thing, I got this tripod here. It's from Amazon. Like I said, it's the GorillaPod TM500 or whatever. If y'all hear a dog whining in the background, please excuse him. Drink! Be quiet, I'm recording. Girl. Dream things really be nightmare. Okay. So it's giving very little. I mean, I have this tripod I'm using currently, but this is giving very little. I mean, I guess this is for like the, I don't know. I don't even hold y'all. I don't know what this is for. Okay, so this is my tripod. I would try to use it, but my camera's currently on a tripod, so. And the next is a new computer case. Got a new computer probably like in October, November-ish. And I have yet to put a case on it, and that's not like me because I don't like stuff to get messed up or whatever. So it's super cute. Maybe I should go grab my computer so y'all can see what it looks like with it on. BRB. Okay, let us see. Okay. She's giving. How about that? Okay, it's cute. All right, and the next is going to be I got this cute little pink camera case for my new Canon G Mark II G7X. It's a vlogging camera, okay? And it has like this little flap. We'll put it on, but you kind of know I'm using it, so you know. Y'all will see it probably in my little window mirror. You know, y'all see it. But it's a win. And I got this book by woman of God, Priscilla Schreier. I had to get this. It's called Fervent. It's a woman's battle plan for serious, specific, and strategic prayer. Who don't need that? And your girl, I got me a little library. Let me know if y'all want me to like do a video where I show y'all my mini library or whatever. Leave me comments, let me know, because I can do that for you. But this right here, I had to get it. And I cannot wait to read it and just know how to pray heaven down, cause who got time? We in the street hitting licks on the devil. That's period. That's what we're doing. And I think that was all for that package. Let's see what's in this one. It's also from Amazon. As y'all can see, hashtag Prime account. Oh, okay, bet. So this right here is actually something for my pup. I don't want to open it just yet because I got like a cool little something I want to do for Instagram and TikTok. So if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram at alexis.dominique, 2 E's at the end. And you can follow me on TikTok at alexisdominique, all together spelled regularly. Or that I'll leave my links in the description so y'all can make sure that y'all are following me and staying up to date with what I got going on and the things that the content I got for y'all, because I legit got some fire on the way, I promise. So this like a little hoodie, but y'all gonna see that. Y'all gonna see, so. And then this right here, this little AirPod case. It's just like a little white, cause I got this new one because I have one, but I'm kind of like in the process of just like upgrading my entire life.
I know that's right.
And you know, I want to upgrade my keys too. So that's what I'm currently doing. So it's just like a little, as y'all can see, a little marbly looking case. It came with this cute little charm. I don't know if y'all can see it. But yeah, so I'm going to be putting these on my keys soon. Well, updating my keys or whatever's going to do that. All right, another from the Vaughn. I know they probably tired of me. Okay. Okay, packaging. Okay, cute. Okay, Virgil with the off-white keychain. Let me find it out. This is legit so fire. So I got this for my keys. Then I'm gonna put the white AirPod thing with it, and I'm just have my key, like my car key, then my house key, and my like, probably my, that's it honestly, because I don't want too much on my keys. I got a push to start car anyway, so it ain't like it's gonna be heavy, but you know, if I ever were just to go somewhere real quick, this would be super cute. You know, it's just super cute. It's so me, so. And then this is the last stuff I'm gonna unbox on this video. I would say pull a tab. Look, y'all, I need to start reading instructions. So it kind of opens up how I see fit. They did all this for this little bitty. All right, y'all. When I was in Chicago, y'all see it's Burberry Her. When I was in Chicago, my new good sis, Ebony, I met her through Ari. If y'all haven't already watched my last video with my birthday vlog, go watch it. And make sure you watch the part 2, basically with my stay in Chicago. But my sis Ebony had this on. She then told me that she like, she's smart. What she does is, which this Burberry Her, it's a 1 ounce bottle, so it's a small bottle, but I mean, it's me like giving it a test run, so I mean, that's not terrible. So this is the size of it, and it was like $30-some, y'all, so you can't beat that. Y'all, this right here, I'm a fan. 10 out of 10. So that's the Burberry Her. Y'all, I love to smell good. Like, I really take pride in smelling good. So I got these from a perfume spot in Chicago. So I've had them since I've been in Chicago. I'm back home. I've been home for like 2 weeks. And so I've used these two that I'm about to show, these last two, but you know, just bear with me. And I just actually dropped this, y'all. But it's the Yellow Diamond by Versace.
Wait, you can.
Versace Yellow Diamond is my all-time favorite scent. Like, all-time favorite scent, okay? I love Yellow Diamond by Versace. And then I also got the light blue Dolce & Gabbana, because I've been wanting to try this. I actually used to work in fragrances and I used to smell this one, and this was like a super popular scent. And so I'm trying to build up my perfume repertoire, because my mom, she had all the smell goods growing up, and so I'm trying to get my collection like hers. And so that's just that on that. But y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. I mean, I guess I could do a few more, because I do have a few more things, but then I'll probably make another video actually trying this stuff on, because I'm not going to try it on in this video, but I'm going to make another one with me actually trying it on. KK, come here. Come here. Right here. Sit down. Sit. Y'all, I have to do this so she won't go outside, because otherwise she'll be trying to go outside every 5 seconds. Okay. I also got these pants right here. They're super stacked from none other than from the Nova. And y'all, I had ordered these pants like maybe a week before the snowstorm in Dallas, and I didn't get these things until I got back from Chicago, and it was for my birthday. Nevertheless, I wanted them to wear with my God Is My CEO like hoodie that I got from Tatum Tamia of the Blessed and Bossed Up, or better known Anchor Media. But my outfit was super fly in Chicago. I'm gonna insert a pic right here. It was super fly, y'all, and so it did what it has to do without these pants, so I'm cool with it. Lastly, these bad mama jammas right here, also from the Nova. Oh, I had got some snow boots too, y'all. I literally just put them up. Y'all want to see them? Y'all want to see them? If y'all want to see them, I'll go get them for y'all. But these shades right here, I done already wore these on the gram. Cause what about it? Cause who said what about it? Oh, okay. Cause I thought somebody who don't like shades said something. Nah, y'all, for real, I love sunglasses. We'll wear them at 12 o'clock at night. What a sun it licks. But because God's light shines so bright above me, sometimes I need the shades on at all times of the day. How about that? I'm gonna say the snow boots for another video, because I don't feel like wanting to get them. I also got these earrings, y'all. $2.88 a piece from Walmart. Y'all, too stinking cute. I don't got no earrings on now. Y'all, these are too stinking cute. I had to cop. They was only $2, like what? So, got those. And y'all, these jeans here, Walmart. Y'all see the price? If it'll focus. $14.98, y'all, for a whole set of jeans. They are high-rise crop skinny jeans, and they have multiple colors, but I like this color. I need some jeans this color, so I hope I can squeeze my tiny stuff in here. We gonna see. So I got those, and then I got this jumpsuit that's gonna be super fly, super fire for the spring and summertime. I already got these looks. I'm supposed to be going to Houston. I ain't never been to H-Town, y'all, and I live in Dallas. I ain't never been to Houston. So I'm excited, and this was 1998, y'all. I was born in 97. That ain't got nothing to do with nothing. But these were only 1998, so that's all. That's going to be all for this haul. I hope y'all enjoy hanging out with me and seeing some of my new goodies. I cannot wait to show y'all how I use these things, or if y'all see them in pictures, y'all leave me comments and be like, girl, I remember when you said you got that, or you got that from there. Or even if y'all choose to get some of these items or whatever, like, y'all leave me comments on Instagram at heyalexisdominique 2 E's, or leave me comments on YouTube and let me know which ones you decided to get, if you go to Walmart and get any of these items or whatevs. But that's gonna be it. It's your girl, Alexis Dominique, and I'm out. Bye.
From him, your girl that's marked and she is destined. Period. Blessed to be a blessing, ain't no crying, no more stressing. Blessed to be a blessing, ain't no crying, no more stressing. Blessed to be a blessing, ain't no crying, no more stressing. I'm her, I'm she, she's we, you feel me? GP, blessed to be